So in the future of development and advancing technologies and approaches, what do you foresee as being key to success in early drug products?
Well, it's pretty much the same like for late-stage drug product. There's a lot of talks about how novel pharmaceutical industry, how innovative in terms of this. Tableting has been around all the time, and to my opinion, it will be. There might be things like personalized medicine, more going in that direction, and 3D printing. And what you currently see is definitely the trend going more for continuous manufacturing. Mm-hmm. And here, the novel part is a little bit, it's still in the heads of some people. When you talk to them, they would say, oh yeah, but it's only for high volume products. But that's not necessarily the case. And when you also look at other pharmaceutical companies, they do see that it's also for niche products. You're quicker in manufacturing, supplying, and shortening timelines from batch manufacture to the patient. And I think that's a trend which definitely will be further exploited in the future.